correct me if I'm wrong. Binary options are like normal options trading, but instead of being a week or so for the smallest time frame for payouts, it's down to minutes. And the binary means simply 1 or 0, yes or no. So that's why it's so fast in comparison, Travis?
Again, I mean, we touched on this a little bit earlier. I mean, there are certainly some, there's some likeness between the two, an equity option and a binary option. Yes, the binary option being that yes or no question. Yes, the binary option settling into either 0 or 100 offers you the flexibility to adjust your time frames. I don't want to say necessarily offers you the ability solely to offer a 5-minute contract. When you look at equity options, and not to go too far into the weeds, there's standardization that comes in the industry with the OCC, with FINRA, with the SEC, that there are requirements you have to meet, and they're just not there yet with a shortened time frame that would align with the Nadex timeframe. With the way we're classified and the way we operate and being under the CFTC, we're afforded the ability to get a little more creative and in some ways aggressive with the time frame that we're able to offer. So yes, being a binary option, the way it's structured, we can offer it in that shorter time frame, the 5 minutes. But I wouldn't say that's precisely why that's the case.
Yeah.